In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering microscopes available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the soldering microscopes list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering microscopes mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Elikliv EM4K AF4K Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K AF Flex 10.1 foot 4K digital microscope is ideal for precision soldering and PCB inspection. Featuring an autofocus camera with up to 2000x magnification, it delivers ultra-clear 4K visuals on a large 10.1-inch screen. The flexible metal arm provides adjustable viewing angles, while the HDMI output allows real-time display on monitors. Its sturdy base and fine detail rendering make it perfect for professional electronics repair, circuit inspection, and component analysis, an excellent investment for any technician or DIY electronics enthusiast. Number 4, RF4 Stereo Trinocular 4K Scope. The RF4 Stereo Trinocular Microscope is designed for advanced soldering and PCB repair tasks. With a 360 degrees articulating arm stand and large field 4K HDMI camera, it offers flexibility and clarity for intricate work. The trinocular head allows simultaneous viewing and recording, making it perfect for demonstrations, repairs, and training. Its stereo optical system produces a true 3D visual effect, while the adjustable LED lighting ensures optimal visibility. Durable and professional grade, it's ideal for laboratories, repair centers, and precision electronics assembly. Number 3, Andonstar AD210 1080p Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope comes with a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen and delivers crisp 1080p resolution for precise soldering and SMD work. Its large display eliminates the need for eyepieces, reducing eye strain during long repair sessions. Offering adjustable height and angle, the AD210 ensures a comfortable working posture. Perfect for PCB inspection, component soldering, and educational use, it combines affordability and functionality. With high detail clarity, robust design, and easy operation, it's a go-to tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2, YIZHAN 48MP 4K Soldering Microscope. The YIZHAN 48MP 4K digital microscope delivers professional-level performance for electronics repair and inspection. Featuring a 48-megapixel sensor, 150x magnification, and full HD HDMI/USB connectivity, it ensures ultra-detailed imaging. Compatible with PC software, it enables direct image capture and recording for analysis. The durable metal stand provides stability, while its European warehouse shipping ensures quick delivery. Perfect for technicians, it supports PCB, SMD, and micro-soldering with incredible accuracy and sharpness, making it a premium choice in 2025. Number 1, Hayve 7-foot 1200x Digital Microscope. The Hayve 7-inch digital microscope offers up to 1200x zoom and 12MP HD clarity, making it perfect for fine soldering, phone repair, and micro-inspection tasks. Its adjustable metal stand ensures stability, while the bright LED illumination enhances visibility of tiny components. Designed for versatility, it connects easily via HDMI or USB, ideal for both personal and professional use. The compact, lightweight design and crystal-clear imaging make it a must-have for technicians, DIY users, and electronics hobbyists seeking precision and reliability.